Welcome back to our channel. Today we're on a journey through the pearls of wisdom shared by the incredible Robert Kiyosaki. Ready to uncover the best advice, key lessons, and actionable steps that have shaped his remarkable career? Before we dive into this treasure trove, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of business and success. Let's jump right in. Let's embark on a captivating journey through the life of the financial luminary Robert Kiyosaki. Born in 1947 in Hilo, Hawaii, Kiyosaki's early years were marked by the rhythmic waves of financial challenges. Raised by his educator father and entrepreneurial mother, Kiyosaki was exposed to contrasting philosophies that would later shape his worldview. After graduating from the United States Merchant Marine Academy, Kiyosaki ventured into the corporate world working for Xerox. However, the traditional path didn't satiate his thirst for financial freedom. This realization led him to pursue entrepreneurship. And his first venture, a wallet business, proved both a financial setback and a valuable lesson. The turning point came when Kiyosaki met his future business partner, Sharon Lechter, and together they created the iconic board game Cash Flow. This game became a catalyst for Kiyosaki's mission to impart financial education to the masses. Kiyosaki's breakthrough came with the publishing of his acclaimed book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which distilled his rich experiences and insights into a guide for financial success. This literary gem challenged conventional beliefs about money, advocating for financial education and investment in assets. Beyond his successes, Kiyosaki's journey is marked by resilience, failures turned into opportunities, and an unwavering commitment to financial education. This section merely scratches the surface of Kiyosaki's fascinating journey, a journey that has inspired millions to rethink their approach to wealth and financial independence. The foundation of Kiyosaki's advice. Now let's embark on a deep dive into the bedrock of Kiyosaki's transformative teachings, the foundation that has empowered countless individuals to rewrite their financial narratives. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. At the heart of Kiyosaki's philosophy is a groundbreaking revelation. The rich don't toil for money. Instead, they orchestrate a symphony where money dances to their tune. This paradigm shift challenges the conventional wisdom that equates wealth solely with hard work. Kiyosaki advocates a strategic approach, urging individuals to invest in assets that generate passive income. Real estate, stocks, and businesses become not just sources of revenue, but instruments conducting a perpetual financial orchestra. Actionable step: let's initiate a financial introspection. Take a meticulous look at your current income streams. Are they solely dependent on your active participation, or do you have avenues generating income independently? Explore opportunities to diversify and create passive streams of income, aligning with Kiyosaki's principle. Lesson 2. Embrace entrepreneurship. Building on this groundbreaking perspective, Kiyosaki encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to adopt the mindset of a business owner. It's not merely about establishing a business, it's a paradigm shift in thinking and decision-making. Whether you're birthing your venture or strategically investing in existing ones, the essence is entrepreneurial. Kiyosaki champions the idea that true financial freedom lies in the ability to navigate the landscape of risks, rewards, and ownership. Actionable step: let's chart the course of your entrepreneurial journey. Identify an area that resonates with your passion and skills. Is there a business idea you've been brewing or an existing venture that aligns with your goals? The actionable step here is to take the first concrete step towards embracing the entrepreneurial spirit. In essence, Kiyosaki's teachings in this foundational section transcend traditional notions of work and entrepreneurship. They represent a call to arms, urging individuals to rethink their relationship with money and ownership. It's a journey from the shackles of laboring solely for income to the emancipation of making money a diligent servant, tirelessly working to enhance your financial standing. Remember, these lessons are not just theoretical concepts. They are the stepping stones toward financial independence. So, as you absorb the essence of Kiyosaki's foundational advice, prepare to embark on a transformative journey that transcends the ordinary and propels you toward financial mastery. Real estate wisdom. Now, let's delve into the chapter of Kiyosaki's wisdom that's built on the solid foundation of real estate. Robert Kiyosaki's insights into the power of real estate investments are akin to a masterclass in financial strategy. Lesson 3. The power of real estate. For Kiyosaki, real estate is not just about physical properties. It's a transformative force that can shape your financial destiny. He advocates for a strategic approach, viewing real estate not merely as a home, but as a conduit for financial stability and wealth creation. In Kiyosaki's view, Owning income-generating properties is a fundamental pillar of financial success. Whether it's rental properties, commercial spaces, or real estate development, the objective is to secure a stable and growing source of passive income. This aligns with his overarching principle of making money work for you, not the other way around. The beauty of real estate, according to Kiyosaki, lies in its potential for appreciation and cash flow. Properties, when wisely chosen, have the capacity to increase in value over time, providing a cushion against inflation. Simultaneously, rental income from properties offers a steady stream of revenue, contributing to financial security. Actionable step. Now let's translate this wisdom into action. Research the real estate market in your area. Identify neighborhoods with potential for growth, study market trends, and explore financing options. Attend local real estate networking events to gain insights from seasoned investors. Consider starting small, perhaps with a rental property, and gradually expand your portfolio as you gain experience and confidence. Kiyosaki's real estate wisdom extends beyond the tangible properties themselves. It's about understanding the market, recognizing opportunities, and strategically positioning yourself for long-term success. By incorporating real estate into your investment portfolio, you're not just building wealth. You're creating a robust financial foundation that can weather economic storms and stand the test of time. Remember, in the realm of financial success, real estate isn't just an asset. It's a powerful ally on your journey to prosperity. Kiyosaki's entrepreneurial mindset. Now let's venture into the heart of Robert Kiyosaki's teachings, the cultivation of an entrepreneurial mindset. More than just dollars and cents, Kiyosaki underscores the significance of developing a mental framework that transcends traditional financial paradigms. This mindset, he believes, is the compass that guides successful entrepreneurs through the complexities of wealth creation. Lesson 5. Continual learning and adaptability. Central to Kiyosaki's entrepreneurial ethos is the commitment to continual learning. In the ever-evolving landscape of business and finance, he emphasizes the importance of staying ahead of the curve. Kiyosaki himself is a voracious reader, perpetually expanding his knowledge base. He believes that adaptability is not just an asset, it's a survival skill in the dynamic world of entrepreneurship. Actionable step. Take a cue from Kiyosaki's playbook. Dedicate time each day to reading, whether it's industry reports, financial news, or books on personal development. Attend workshops and seminars to stay abreast of the latest trends in your field. Now let's delve into the core of Kiyosaki's mindset. Entrepreneurial mindset, a fusion of vision and risk. For Kiyosaki, having an entrepreneurial mindset goes beyond understanding financial statements. It involves envisioning opportunities where others see challenges. It's about taking calculated risks with the understanding that failure is not a setback, but a lesson in disguise. Actionable step. Reflect on your current approach to risk. Are there opportunities you've been hesitant to explore? Identify one calculated risk you can take in your professional or investment journey. The power of resilience. Kiyosaki often emphasizes that setbacks are not roadblocks but stepping stones. Resilience, according to him, is the bedrock of an entrepreneurial mindset. Whether facing financial challenges or navigating market uncertainties, the ability to bounce back distinguishes successful entrepreneurs. Actionable step. Consider a past setback and analyze what you learned from it. How can you apply those lessons to your current ventures? Fostering creativity and innovation. Entrepreneurship, in Kiyosaki's view, thrives on creativity and innovation. He encourages aspiring business owners to think outside the box, to challenge conventional wisdom, and to innovate in both products and processes. Actionable step. Carve out time for brainstorming sessions. How can you infuse creativity and innovation into your business or investment strategies? In essence, Kiyosaki's entrepreneurial mindset is a multifaceted gem that combines continual learning, calculated risk-taking, resilience, and innovation. It's a mindset that not only navigates the intricate waters of finance, but also thrives in the face of uncertainty. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, embrace the spirit of constant evolution and creative thinking, key components of the mindset that has propelled Robert Kiyosaki to financial greatness. Remember, success is not just about the numbers, it's about the mindset that shapes them. Weathering economic storms. Now let's navigate through the sagacious counsel Robert Kiyosaki offers when it comes to weathering the inevitable economic storms that life may hurl our way. His insights here are not just about thriving in times of plenty, but about fortifying yourself to stand tall when the economic winds blow in the opposite direction. Lesson 6. Preparing for economic downturns. Kiyosaki's foresight shines as he shares invaluable lessons learned from economic downturns. While many may see downturns as setbacks, Kiyosaki views them as opportunities for growth and strategic positioning. He emphasizes the importance of building financial resilience, much like a well-rooted tree that sways but doesn't break in a storm. In times of economic turbulence, assets that are traditionally considered safe havens like gold and silver often take center stage in Kiyosaki's playbook. He advises having a diversified portfolio that includes these precious metals, acting as a hedge against currency devaluation and economic uncertainty. Actionable step. Assess your current investment portfolio. Do you have exposure to assets like gold and silver? Consider reallocating to ensure a balanced and resilient portfolio. Hiring a qualified and reputable advisor is key to getting the best results. Furthermore, Kiyosaki urges individuals to scrutinize their debt structure. While conventional financial wisdom often advocates for debt elimination, Kiyosaki suggests a more nuanced approach. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt, according to Kiyosaki, is debt used to acquire income-generating assets. It's the kind of debt that puts money in your pocket. Bad debt, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket. By distinguishing between the two and strategically using debt, one can not only weather economic storms but also emerge stronger on the other side. Actionable step. Review your current debt situation. Identify debts that are contributing to your wealth-building endeavors and those that are merely financial burdens. Develop a plan with your financial advisor to strategically manage and leverage debt to your advantage. In essence, Kiyosaki's teachings on weathering economic storms boil down to two core principles: being proactive and viewing challenges as opportunities. Rather than succumbing to the panic that often accompanies economic downturns, he encourages individuals to adopt a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness. In Kiyosaki's own words, the size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. So, as you navigate the complex economic terrain, remember Kiyosaki's wisdom. Adversity is not the end. It's a chance for a new beginning. Strengthen your financial roots, adapt to the changing winds, and emerge from the storm not just unscathed, but stronger and more prepared for the next challenge life throws your way. If this deep dive into the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki has resonated with you, don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting that like button and, of course, subscribing for more enriching content. Until next time, keep absorbing, keep implementing, and keep unlocking the door to your own financial destiny.